Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. We are Jennifer and Jessica and we are twin sisters who love to share everything hair and beauty related. So if you're interested in that kind of content, kindly hit the subscribe button and keep watching. The first ingredient we'll be using in our Moringa hair butter is raw shea butter. We'll be using 5 tablespoons of pure raw unscented shea butter. This is to create the formulation of the hair butter. The second ingredient we use for this hair butter is Moringa powder. We will also be using 2 tablespoons of Moringa powder. Moringa is an exotic plant found across tropical parts of the world. Various parts of the plant are a good source of protein, vitamins, amino acids, and beta-carotene. Moringa is very effective for hair growth because it helps develop the hair cells. It is rich in amino acids, which are building blocks of cells. This therefore helps with the rejuvenation of hair and thereby reduces alopecia. Moringa also activates the dormant hair follicles, thereby enhancing hair growth on balding areas and balding patches. The third ingredient we'll be using in this hair butter is cloves. We'll be using 1 tablespoon of cloves. Cloves contains a property called eugenol, which increases blood flow to the scalp and leads to hair growth. I've used cloves in a variety of our hair oils and teas, and we have seen immense results in our hair growth journey. The fourth ingredient we'll be using in this hair butter are rosemary leaves. We'll be using 1 tablespoon of rosemary leaves. Rosemary leaves promote nerve growth in the scalp, thereby restoring hair in areas it was lacking. And lastly, we'll be adding 100 ml of extra virgin olive oil. Olive oil is rich in vitamins K and E, which helps to reduce dandruff and make hair follicles healthy and strong. It helps ease itchiness and dandruff, but also stimulates hair growth and reduces the buildup of sebum. Once you have all your ingredients in the jar now, it is time to double boil it. Gently place your jar into the boiling water on low heat. Once the mixture has cooled down, it is now time to strain it. We will be using a wig cap to strain it. You will need to strain and then transfer your mixture into a clean jar or container to store your hair butter. This moringa butter is not only super easy to make, but it was super effective in growing and thickening our hair, as well as also healing our scalp issues. This butter is perfect for slow hair growth. It's great for bald patches, alopecia, dandruff, any kind of dry scalp psoriasis. It also helps with hair breakage, brittle hair, and hair thinning. Can be applied by parting your hair into 2 to 4 sections. It can also be applied directly onto the scalp and massaged in. Also, as shown in this video, it is best to go in with a hairspray or moisturizer to slightly dampen your hair before you use the hair butter to allow that moisture to be sealed in. The hair butter can also be applied onto the body of your hair to lock in moisture and seal your ends. We typically use this hair butter 1 to 2 times a week. Guys, kindly let us know in the comment section if this video was helpful to you and if you would be trying out this amazing moringa hair butter. As far as we are concerned, we are obsessed. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a like. So guys, the next butter that transformed our hair actually went super viral on this channel, and it is none other than the Cloves and Rosemary butter, which we have been using for the past year. This butter is not only super easy to make, but it was super effective in growing and thickening our hair, as well as healing our scalp issues. Since then, we haven't stopped using this hair butter, and we remake a new batch immediately it runs out. Now guys, the original recipe for this hair butter includes ginger and garlic. However, you can opt out of either of them if you find them intolerable. So now let's get started. There are so many major benefits of this rosemary and cloves hair butter. The first benefit is that it actually promotes hair growth. Rosemary is known for its ability to stimulate hair follicles and promote hair growth, whilst cloves, on the other hand, contains properties that strengthen and boost hair growth. Once both are infused together, they target and heal hair loss. They heal bald patches and they heal hair thinning. The next benefit is that they both promote scalp health. Both rosemary and cloves have antimicrobial properties that help maintain scalp health by targeting fungal infections, inflammation, and dandruff. Both herbs create a soothing effect on the scalp, giving it a healed and healthy environment for hair growth. Another benefit is that both of them have conditioning properties that help moisturize and nourish your hair, thereby reducing dryness and frizziness. Combining cloves and rosemary together has to be one of the best discoveries for our hair. This butter is perfect for our hair. It has really helped with slow hair growth. It helps with any balding patches that you have. It helps with alopecia. It helps with dandruff issues, dry scalp, psoriasis. If you're experiencing any form of hair breakage, brittle hair, or even hair thinning. We have been using this hair butter for more than a year now, and we have to admit it is the best hair butter we have ever used. Only our Moringa hair butter actually comes second to this. Our hair responds so positively to it that we keep making a new batch every other time. It has also given us major results in hair growth. It has increased our hair density, and also it has healed scalp issues we're dealing with. This butter is best stored in the fridge and can be used 1 to 2 times a week. For application, all you need to do is part your hair in sections, then proceed to line your scalp with the butter like shown in the video. Once applying it, you should feel like a slight tingling sensation, which just reinforces that your scalp is being stimulated. Then you can also apply the butter on the body of your hair. So thanks for watching, guys. Feel free to share in the comment section what you think about these two recipes, these two hair butters. If you will be trying it out, these were some of our favorite hair products in the whole of 2024. Let us know if you'll be trying it out, and don't forget to give this video a like, and we'll see you guys in our next one. Bye.